Atlantis Beach is a large-scale master plan development here in Two Rocks, Western Australia, which is located on the northern beaches of Perth. It's a really fantastic development consisting of around 6,000 residential home sites, a range of commercial properties, education options and parks and open space. The great thing is as well is that we have a marina here in Two Rocks as well, so that really makes the project unique. My name's Blaine Hall-Jones. I'm the estate manager here at Atlantis Beach. My role here as the estate manager is to be in charge of sales of the estate. I work with people through their inquiry, finding perfect blocks for them, and of course selling of the residential properties here at Atlantis Beach.
It's a small town, about 1,400 people in it at the moment. We're growing that to 6,000 lots. We estimate about 4 people per household, and obviously that the community is growing. So it's important that we grow the community here in Atlantis Beach, and that's a huge focus of our marketing strategy. There's a dashboard that we've created per project that is just a snapshot of all the data that I need, that I look at. That data helps me formulate my marketing strategies yearly and quarterly. So I get to see all the buyers, what type of buyer they are, if they're a first home buyer, an investor or a downsizer, and then I make my marketing strategies based on that data. Salesforce enables me to be able to see really in depth what those customers are doing as if they've come from certain sources of marketing. So if it's signage or Facebook or realestate.com, we get to be able to see where those leads are getting filtered in, which then enables me then to focus my marketing on those areas.
Salesforce is a fantastic tool for me. We use it to capture all of the information from the moment somebody inquires through to the moment that they move into their new home and beyond. It is a great tool in that I can access the information that I require at any point from my mobile, through my laptop, whether or not I'm in the office or on the go. Now using the Lightning interface of Salesforce has really helped. It's supercharged what I can do and the power that Salesforce has in our roles with regards to being able to easily capture conversations and activities that I may have with leads, as well as put everything in a much more convenient location for me to be able to access the information that I require. What was a multiple button click process can now be done in a single button push.
Persistent has been efficient in delivering all the outcomes that I need for Salesforce. They tweak the reports to what I need them to be, which enables me to see the correct data. Any issues that I've ever had with Salesforce, Persistent are absolutely on the ball with coming back to me and rectifying those issues, which makes my job really easy.
The great thing about Salesforce is that I find it extremely customizable to suit whatever we need it to do. There's so many hidden powers that maybe we originally didn't think it was capable of, but just by asking the question and finding a way of making it do what we need it to do, anything seems to be possible.